What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The benefits of sun gazing. Our bodies are physical temples where we can manipulate the energies inside of us. Remember, we are just a ball of energy slowed down at a rate that seems like everything has to be done physically to make things happen. But the truth is, we are vibratory beings that have the potential to make these energies inside of us move and manipulate this reality with what? Yeah, that's right. Thought, which is energy. When we sun gaze, we receive light codes or channels from the sun that gives us a whirl of energy and negative ions in our beings. These spiritual channels are feelings of vibrant magic will help our mood, thought, focus, clarity. Everything you need to benefit in manipulating the space and time we call Earth. Sun gazing is a practice and you want to work towards a particular time so you can gaze at the sun longer. The first time I used to try and sun gaze, my ass was doing it all wrong. Looking at the sun directly at 1 in the afternoon, walking away with blurred vision and shit. I gathered my knowledge and started doing it more effectively. Started building an understanding on sun gazing. Aleem did an awesome breakdown on one of his YouTube videos where he is breaking down the practical way to sun gaze and a scientific breakdown of what it's doing to your body. I'll put the link in the description if I find it. But the practice goes like this. Wake up at sunrise or catch the sunset and blink at the sun for 1 minute. Then do the same thing the next day, but add 10 seconds. Keep adding 10 seconds each day and begin to feel your power. Before you know it, you'll be at 5 minutes a day and start receiving information that will be vital for the benefits of your being. When I had my consistent run, I was able to have more intuitive, powerful knowings. Channels were coming left and right. One disclaimer is you must try to eat as clean as possible because the high vibratory foods will give you light. Well, it's the same as eating the sun. What you're putting into your being is what you will get out of it. But remember, this is an illusion, so you can make anything work as long as you have the mind power and did the subconscious deprogramming that plagues our society of unhealthy food, unhealthy mindset. To each his own. But what I recommend is that if your mind is not at the level of eating particular foods that will benefit your being, then you must eat high vibratory foods that will at least make your vibrations right. Sun gazing is a powerful tool for us to stimulate our pineal gland and receive these light codes and energies that will power up our being. Let me know in the comments about your experiences with sun gazing and any tips and tricks you have. Sharing is caring, family. Dream wise.